male orchid bee. To attract a mate, he must create his own perfume. He sweeps up scents with special brushes. And it's not just orchids he needs. These bees can travel 30 miles, collecting as many as 40 different smells. Because the more complex the cologne, the more attractive the bee. The Stanhopea orchid. Unfortunately, its flowers only open just a few days each year. And worse, he has a rival. Male bees compete to collect the most seductive scent, a whiff of fungus, a little leaf wax, while the rival spots a workaround, a dead orchid bee with pockets full of scent that can be stolen. But it could turn out to be one big mistake. Because at last, the Stanhopea has burst into flower. And our hero is right there to cash in. Now he can get the final ingredient. But it doesn't come for free. The orchid deposits pollen on his back. In the meantime, he's completed his ultimate perfume.